Hello and welcome. This video is going to talk about how to create some histograms that will represent the binomial distribution in Google Docs. And this will give you a good idea for to establish some intuition with the binomial distribution and some intuition with binomial probabilities. So go ahead and open this Google Doc. The link to that is in the doobly-doo down below. And I've made this so that it is as usable as possible. You don't need to know a lot about Google Spreadsheets in order to use this, and there's a lot of automation here. First off, I have a row number. That's really just an internal use that will make it so that when I change my sample size over here, if I want to change this to 10 trials, my number of possible successes will change from 0 to 5, which it was before, to 0 to 10. The way that I do that is just with this simple command. You of course don't need to know this. You can just go ahead and open up this this document, as I said below. Link is in or before, the link is in the doobly-doo below. And then you can actually just make a copy of this and then change N and P as you like. And then here's the interesting bit here is Google Drive, Google Spreadsheets actually has a binomial distribution command. And whoops, let's get rid of that because we don't want it. When you enter in that binomial distribution, let me just show you the tooltip really quickly. It'll be looking for the number of successes. So maybe I'm looking for 4 successes. It's looking for the number of trials. Maybe I have 10 trials. It's looking for the probability of success. And it's looking to see whether or not you want a cumulative distribution. Cumulative just means that you're looking at a range of values. Just like if you choose the binomial CDF, cumulative distribution function, in your calculator, which was talked about quite extensively in our previous video, so I'll leave it at that. To use this, these are the 2 cells that you're going to be changing. You're going to be changing N, you're going to be changing P. If you want to increase if you want to just change your sample size, change it over here to what you want it to be. Maybe you want to change it to have 20, and then I couldn't figure out how to automate this in the 5 minutes it took me to set up. So just copy and paste it down to the appropriate number of successes, and the histogram will automatically change to represent that binomial distribution. If you want to change the probability, go ahead and change that probability. And it will change the probabilities for all of these cells. Okay, if you want a fraction here, make sure that you are using an equal sign before that. So maybe you want a 9th. Make sure that you put equals 1/9 there. If you just put 1 divided by 9, sometimes it will interpret that as a date and not a number, which is annoying. Anyways, that's it. This is really just an exploration exercise. If you want to decrease your sample size to, I don't know, maybe 3, you'll notice that you have a lot of extra entries there. Just delete those out, and you'll get the graph that you're looking for. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.